Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by ensuring your device record's location in each photo, because the map needs precise EXIF coordinates to place points. First, turn on location services and enable GPS tagging in the camera app so coordinates are embedded. Once done, take a few test photos in different spots and check timestamps to match later. Make sure Battery Saver isn't disabling GPS, otherwise coordinates may be coarse. This saves time when you extract and map the data next. Now extract the embedded GPS data, because raw EXIF gives you coordinates and accuracy values needed for mapping. You can use EXIF tool or a photo manager to export latitude/longitude and timestamp. Convert degrees/minutes/seconds to decimal if required for your map service. Once you have CSV, KML, or GeoJSON, import or drag that file into Google My Maps or QGIS. Make sure timestamps match time zones when batching many photos. This avoids misplaced points and preserves spatial order. Finish by reviewing pins on the map and confirming each marker sits where you expect. Check the reported accuracy and altitude so you understand positional confidence. Then refine labels, group photos into layers, and export KML or GeoJSON for sharing or archiving. If something goes wrong, missing GPS often means no EXIF coordinates. Check your camera settings, cloud backup copies, or sidecar files. You can also match photo timestamps to a GPS track log to reconstruct locations when EXIF is absent.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.